So you've cutted your pattern, okay? Or you traced it on another piece of paper. You can actually go and look at my other videos if you missed those parts. What I normally do, I pin the pattern pieces together with pins. As you can see, this is a coat pattern, but I am going to alter it. And what I did, I normally put it on my body. Then I stand in front of the mirror and I get an idea if it's already fitting, because a lot of these sewing patterns, they have the ease of the pattern, and they have the design ease, and sometimes it is not exactly what you're going to expect after you've made your item. So what I do, I just pin everything together. I stand in front of the mirror. Even the sleeve pattern, I normally know for a fact that I have the area under the arm might not be exactly as the size of the pattern. You need to remember that sewing patterns, commercial sewing patterns, are all made for the average person. It's like buying clothes in the shop. So what I normally do, I fit it on my arm and I can see already, okay, I will need to do an adjustment here. Another thing that I know is that I have very longer arms, and I put it on and I can see, okay, I will need to add an extra 1 or 2 centimeters. So that is things that you can pick up quickly if you just pin it and put it together. Now, if you don't have the dummy, a dressmaker's dummy, you can just put it on your own body. But there's a lot of pattern making companies that are selling dummies to you that you actually can make yourself. But I will talk to you about that in a different video. So I will be making a coat, and I will be using this pattern pieces, and I will be using my white paper. I will put underneath and do the alterations. Now, I have been looking for a very, very good video to help you guys out, and I must say I found a very good pattern alteration videos, how you can alter your waist, you can alter your bust. So I am going to link the video for you in the description. It's called Professor Pincushion. I want you guys to go there and you listen to her video, especially the ones about the waist alteration and the bust, because the other ones are easy, like making a sleeve longer or shorter. It's easy. They actually tell you cutting line for the short sleeve, and you basically fold up. You fold up on the line to make it shorter. And if you are going to use your instruction sheet, you will find also some tips what you can do. And the same with the skirt. If you want to make it longer, there's a cutting line that you can make it shorter. Okay, over here, cutting line for long length, so you can actually make it longer. That's actually easier for you to do, but the waist and the hip is the more difficult parts. So I just made a drawing of the coat that I will be making, so that I know what I can change of the pattern. So for the next few weeks, I am going to put up a few Mother's Day projects. It's going to be very easy, that you can make for your mom or just for yourself. So until next time, God bless you, and I see you soon. Bye.